So the question was when you build the mobile app, it produces a .apk. Okay. So what does it mean? When you're writing the code on your interface, it's like the raw interface, means it's an IDE. You're writing the raw code. Okay. But whenever you build the code, for each programming language, they have their own process. When they build, they actually make a version for the human to use it. In another way, once you write the code, you build the code, at this moment, this is the code you can install in the device. Because without install, this code will not run for the users. So for the Windows-based operating system, you are making .exe. Make sense? Otherwise, you cannot install it, you cannot use it. For the Linux, right? APT, or for the Ubuntu APT, another operating system is the extension. For Android, it is .apk. For Android, it is .apk. What does it do? So I think it is making another .apk. So purpose of the .apk, you can download it, you can install it, and then after install, then you can actually use the app. So the meaning is Android package kit. So going back to the same question, as a developer, you Android developer, you download the Android and you wrote the code for the mobile app of the TS for you. You build it. Once you build it, it actually produces .apk, and you actually install on your mobile app. And then when you open it, then you see the app. Until then, you cannot use this app. So it's an Android extension for the mobile app.